Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. In continuation with the Korean style salad dressing series, today I'm going to be making very simple broccoli salad with sesame seed dressing. To make this dressing, it's very important to have freshly roasted sesame seeds. It makes a whole lot of difference in terms of taste. So let's get started. The key to making very good sesame seed dressing is, of course, as I said, very good toasted sesame seeds. And I'm going to be using this gadget to grind the sesame seeds by hand. Big wooden stick like this, and we're going to grind it. I don't know if you can hear the sound. As I grind it, I can already smell the really nutty taste aroma of the sesame seeds. So when it's been ground to, a little bit of a powder, but you don't want it to be really pulverized. Just, keep some of the sesame seeds. I'm going to add this, I already mixed sesame oil and soy sauce here, low sodium soy sauce that we made before. I'll add it to this directly onto the bowl. Little bit of sugar. The recipe actually calls for 1 tablespoon of sugar, but I'm on a diet, believe it or not, so I'm going to be using only half. And I'm going to use what they call a dashi powder. You can actually get them at Korean grocery stores. And just a pinch of the dashi powder. And mix it all together again. So when you mix it all together, you get sort of like a sesame seed paste. And then it's ready, and all you have to do is mix it with blanched and cooled broccoli. You can use asparagus, you can use green beans, you can use broccolini, whatever you have in the refrigerator. Sometimes I even use celery to make this, and it really makes a difference. So all I need to do now is transfer the broccoli to a bowl. I want to get every nook and cranny of the sauce. I'm just going to use my broccoli to get the sauce out. I like to use my hand in mixing these things. And of course, the best way to know that it's perfectly seasoned is for you to taste it, right? So let me taste one. To me, it's good. So let me plate it. So here we have the very simple but very tasty and healthy broccoli salad. It's great as banchan, or even as salad, or even as a side dish for any kind of your meat dishes. So enjoy!